What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and on the table with me is the all-new Yuneec Typhoon H+. So we've had it for a couple weeks now and I've been able to get familiar with it thanks to Yuneec. In this video we're just going to do a quick unboxing, but plenty more videos will follow on the Typhoon H+. So let's get started. Now that we've unpackaged everything, I just want to go over each item one by one. So all the way on the left, we have the ST16S controller, only compatible with the Typhoon H+. We have two high voltage LiPo batteries. Then we have the accessory box, and in it we have the SD card, extra rubber dampers for the camera, and an anti-drop pin, an extra filter ring for the camera, a neck strap for the controller, a micro USB cable, a patch antenna that could be subbed out for the mushroom antenna on the controller, and then we have the charging cables, one to the wall and the brick. Next, we have the sun shield for the controller. We have propellers, so it's a hexacopter, it only needs 6, but it comes with 10, so 2 extra A and 2 extra B. So you got the 6 there, and then a little hidden compartment for the other 4. Here we have the actual charging cube that the battery plugs into, and then also a car charging adapter. On the right we have the backpack that everything comes into, and so it's really nice. Everything you see on the table fits in there, pretty compact. This actually folds down, this copter, and so it fits real nice. And then lastly you have the copter, which has the C23 camera on it, which is 20 megapixel and 1 inch still. And then you also have the RealSense module, which is an extra obstacle avoidance device on the copter. And then also a little camera lock. And so there you have it. That's everything that comes with the Yuneec Typhoon H+. So although this is just an unboxing video, I do want to address one thing. So for anyone who's familiar with the Typhoon H, the original version, they may know that about a year ago there was a bundle that was very similar, basically included all the same items. So you might be asking yourself, what's the difference between the original H and the Typhoon H+? And so I just want to let you know there are a lot of differences. So if you are considering upgrading, there are a lot of things to look at. So for example, the biggest upgrade is the camera. So going from the Seago 3 Plus to the C23, which is now a 20 megapixel camera with a 1 inch sensor. The actual drone has a larger wingspan with bigger motors, and once we get into some more flying videos, you're also going to see that the whole user interface in the ST16S is different. So I just wanted to address that one point before we wrap up. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Plenty more videos on the Typhoon H+ will soon come, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Currently we're taking pre-orders for the Typhoon H+ and are expecting shipping sometime in August. So if you are interested in the Typhoon H+, give us a call, visit us on the web at www.terrestrialimaging.com, and we'd be happy to help you out.